Imagine streamlining your entire project workflow right inside Microsoft Teams. From task assignment to real-time updates, efficiency is just a click away. Let's walk through this step by step and unlock new levels of productivity. Step 1. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and navigating to your project channel. Think of this channel as your team's workspace, the hub where all project communication and collaboration happens. Click on the channel, then select the Add tab button at the top. Here, you can integrate tools like Planner or Trello directly. For most workflow scenarios, Planner works perfectly. Step 2. Add the Planner tab. Choose Planner, give your plan a name, and confirm. Instantly, your team can access an organized board for tasks and deadlines. Create buckets for each phase of your project, such as To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Assign tasks by clicking on each card and selecting team members, due dates, and priority levels. This keeps accountability clear and ensures everyone knows their responsibilities. Step 3. Collaborate seamlessly. Use the conversation area in your project channel to update progress, share documents, or ask questions. With @mentions, alert team members to specific tasks or updates. Drag tasks between buckets to signal progress or completion. Simple moves that keep everyone in sync without leaving teams. Step 4. Monitor progress with built-in charts. Under the Planner tab, select Charts to view task status, completion rates, and bottlenecks. These visuals provide instant clarity and help you address issues before they impact your deadline. You can also set up notifications and reminders to keep the workflow moving efficiently. Finally, remember the golden rule: communication drives productivity. Encourage your team to check Teams daily, update statuses, and support each other. With the right workflow setup, your projects move faster, smarter, and with less stress. Empower your workflow today. Productivity starts where your team unites. In Microsoft Teams.